Okay, so here we have a problem that's basically asking us, should we make a product or should we buy it or outsource it? So the question reads, ABC company must decide whether to make or buy some of its components. The variable cost of producing 99,000 chargers for its cell phones are $23 per unit. The fixed cost associated with making the chargers is $419,000. Instead of making the chargers, the company has the opportunity to buy the chargers at $25 per unit. However, 30% of the fixed costs will remain. Prepare a differential analysis showing whether the company should make or buy the chargers. Round all answers to the nearest whole unit and whole dollar. Enter negative numbers with a minus sign. Enter zeros where appropriate. Okay, so again, just like we did in the previous problem, since this is an incremental analysis type problem, we only want to focus in on the costs or revenues that will vary between the two alternatives. So in looking at what it costs to make the product, we have our variable cost per unit, which we read off was $23 per unit. And if they make 99,000 of those, it's going to be $2,277,000. Fixed cost is fixed. It doesn't matter how many units they make, 1,000 or 99,000, it's still going to be $419,000. And then we can just add those two together. Oops. Take that one plus that one, and we get $2,696,000 to manufacture those in-house. Now let's see if we buy them externally. Said it would be $25 each to buy those 99,000, which is $2 more. But the good thing, if we buy them externally, then we get to save on some of those fixed costs. So only 30% of those fixed costs will remain, which means 70% of those costs are eliminated. So what is the total cost then if I buy, add those two together, variable plus fixed, $2,607,000. So you should be able to see right now we will save almost $100,000 if we go ahead and buy them externally. So let's go ahead and plug in our numbers here. Take the make minus the buy. So it actually costs us more up front, but we're going to end up saving almost $300,000 in fixed costs by outsourcing, which means we will save $95,300. So in this case, we would want to go ahead and buy because it's cheaper to buy than it is to make.